Imagine a home that combines modern luxury with cozy charm. Well, today we have just that. We are back in Megan's Landing, highlighting the newest builder on the block, Ashton Woods. And this home, guys, might be my favorite model home we've done thus far. But before we get into that, my name is Dardan, your go-to expert for everything real estate in the greater San Antonio area. And it means the world to me if you go down below, smash that like button. It helps us grow this channel. And if you don't want to miss a future home tour like this, hit subscribe. Now let's go check out this home. Ashton Woods in this community starts off in the high threes for their 50-foot series, but today we're going to be checking out the model home, the Malam, which is a 70-foot series model, and it starts off at 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, just over 3,000 square feet. And guys, from the design to the finishes to the primary bedroom that you haven't seen anywhere else, this model is truly one of a kind. But let's get started right here at the front door. We have a beautiful steel door with the glass accents, letting in all that natural light. Now, as you enter the home, the first room or the first thing that you're gonna see is this gorgeous office, good size, 2 front-facing windows, and I love that the office is at the front of the home for easy access in and out. And I honestly love that they put these French doors in here because the office is gonna be the first thing somebody's gonna see, and it's kind of like an art piece. Now, as you exit, we have this gorgeous foyer, probably 12 feet tall with a tray ceiling separating the space from the office over to this dining room area. Now, it's staged as a dining room. I probably would have it as a lounge. You have these gorgeous double height ceilings. I mean, those things are probably like 20 feet tall with that tray ceiling as well. But the reason I would have it as a lounge is because back behind me, we have something that we haven't seen in a new construction home, and that's your very own wine cellar. Now check this thing out. We have cabinetry for plenty of storage all around. We have a little nook for maybe a mini fridge or an ice maker, and you can use this as a bar, a wine cellar, whatever it is. Make your whiskeys neat, sit out here and just unwind, have a glass of wine, whatever it may be. Just use this as a nice chill spot at the end of the day. Now, this foyer extends all the way down, right? But right off of the hallway, we have our first bathroom. It's going to be a half bath. And I love that they put it over here, tucked away from everybody else. You have a single vanity, of course, nice little small bathroom. And then as you exit the bathroom, we have a nice little coat closet. Very well designed home. We have the engineered hardwood floor throughout this entire home. Remember, guys, Ashton Woods is a semi-custom home builder. So if there's anything that you don't like today, you essentially get to pick exactly what you want. So whether that's the floors, the cabinetry, or anything else, you get to decide on what that looks like. Now, in here we have the informal, I guess, dining room area. I mean, builders nowadays are getting away from that formal dedicated room as a dining room area. This is exactly why I would change that room. I mean, look at this. This is a 6-seater. You can even add 2 tables on the side, or 2 chairs on the side rather. Plenty of space, much bigger than that one. And then over here, we're gonna have our built-in. I love this. I'd probably use it just as they do. Nice little coffee machine. Maybe this is your get ready space in the morning to get that energy up and flowing. So as we continue on this way, we have some more built-ins, different tone than what we just saw. This is what I would probably use as a buffet space. So when you're hosting Thanksgiving dinner, instead of putting everything on the table, you just lay it out right here. You have plenty of storage, cabinets, and I love that they added the backsplash as well to this area alongside the area where I said you can utilize it as a coffee spot. Now, very practical space, flows right into the kitchen. And as you can see, you're not cramped, right? And in the kitchen, you have this gorgeous island, one giant slab of marble right on top. You have this additional seating along the island, which looks like they have 4 stools there. And then they wrapped the entire island in cabinetry, which just gives it that elegant feel and look. Now, back on this side, as you can see, we have the 2-tone kitchen. We have the green or gray, whatever this is, on this side, and then we have that wood look cabinet, and I love this cabinetry, this color right here, that natural feel. We do have a gas oven in here, but I will say this community does not come naturally with gas, but Ashton Woods allows you to put a propane tank outside the home and they connect the house with it, providing gas. Because I know a lot of my clients, that's kind of like a deal breaker for them. At this, at this price point, a pot filler is a must, which I absolutely love. Why go back and forth? And then speaking of back and forth from the sink, I love that they elected to put the sink in the island, undermounted, and it's facing the entire home, right? So if you have guests over, the family preparing a snack, you're still engaging with them and your back isn't turned. I love that. Now, coming this way, we have our built-ins. So we have our microwave right here with the oven, and then we have the corner pantry, which honestly is a must because it really utilizes the space really well and allows you to have a full walk-in pantry. And you saw those shelves, you can take those all the way to the top. Now, coming this way, we have the fridge, of course. This is where your garage access is gonna be, right in here. This is where that wine cellar was. And then back here is the dining room / lounge is what I would use it for again. So coming back through here, gorgeous area. Everything is seamless, fluid. As you can see, we have the exposed beams up top, tray ceiling. Everything is airy in here. I mean, this is truly an open floor plan. It goes right into the living area. Plenty of space. They have a couch with 4 chairs. Probably get a nice little U-shaped sectional in here. And the centerpiece of this all is this fireplace. They have it tiled all the way to the top. I thought this was stone at first, but this is some sort of tiling. And then you have this gorgeous mantle right up top. Love all the built-ins that Ashton Woods has decided to go with on this home. I mean, check this out. You have built-ins on both sides. Essentially comes with furniture when you think about it. And then up top, they elected to put the same flooring on the trays, which is really neat. It kind of gives you that warm feeling and enclosed space. Now back here is going to be that primary suite, but we'll get to that in a little bit. Let's go check out these secondary bedrooms and show you exactly what they look like. Check this out. I mean, we have a queen size bed in here. There's plenty of space. You have a full walk-in closet on this side, and you have a little nook over here for that dresser or whatnot. Now, dividing the 2 bedrooms, you're gonna have a Jack and Jill bathroom. So coming through here, you have a dual vanity with your shower tub combo in here alongside the toilet. So the vanities are gonna be within the restroom itself, not within the rooms, like in other Jack and Jills, but very practical. I love the way they designed it. And then on into our 3rd bedroom, essentially, or our secondary bedroom. Now, if you want to go in there and just show them the walk-in closet, the other bedroom is going to have the same size walk-in closet. So very nice. You don't really see walk-in closets on secondary bedrooms. And then we are back in the kitchen, guys. Very cool. But let's go check out this space behind the kitchen. You don't ever see this. I mean, so much in this, the way they designed this home is so unique. I mean, you get so much for the price point and the square footage. So back behind the kitchen is essentially the utility area where you have your washer and dryer. You're gonna have a wet sink in here and just a bunch of extra space, right? You could even use this space for additional storage. So that pantry wasn't necessarily the biggest, but this space being right behind the kitchen, I don't see why you wouldn't be able to use this as storage as well. And alongside that, you're gonna have access to your garage. So your extended garage. So very neat. I love the choice of flooring in here. Added a window to add in some natural light. Really neat, and really love the way they designed this. I mean, guys, this is a model home that I'm questioning whether I want to make a move. Quite truly. It's so practical, has everything you need. Let's go check out the backyard while we're over here. On this side, we have these oversized sliding glass doors. So look at this. In those cool fall months, this will collapse to give you that indoor, outdoor living experience. And this is a brand new model home, so they're still setting up. But you have a very nice patio out here, probably extended. This is most likely what you're going to get. They elected to extend this one to fully showcase what they have to offer. And then the size of this, I mean, there's so much space in here. You can mount a couple TVs out here, lay back, watch the Cowboys, whatever's left of the season, watch A&M on their way to a national championship. And then the lots, I mean, a 3,000 square foot home on a single story is a very large blueprint. So the backyard it's not bad. I mean, this is on a 70-foot lot, right? So you're gonna have that extended width, but it's not the biggest backyard that we've seen out here. So, but it's very doable and very practical for the family. Now let's go back inside and continue on with this tour for the part that you guys have been waiting for. Now that's gonna be through here. Hold up though, take a deep breath, because this primary suite is amazing. We haven't seen a primary room that has its own living room. Gorgeous, very long, very unique shape. So you have the bed and mattress on this side. This is a king size bed with a bunch of furniture all around it, and still how spacious it looks. And then off on this side, we're gonna have kind of a lounging area. So you don't have two living areas in this home, but if you want to stay away from the kids, hide out for a little bit in the morning, you can just watch your news in here and get started on the day without having to bug the rest of the family. Now, through these double doors, we're gonna have a gorgeous bath. Off on this side, we have the double vanity with the additional storage right here down the middle, dividing the two spaces. And then off on this side, guys, look at this. Just look at this back wall. It looks like a sauna from Sweden or something, or Finland. I love the way they added the arch with the tile, the brown tile. Does make this look like a sauna. And then you have this garden tub right here with the window to soak, chill, take a nice bath. But they didn't compromise on the shower. So this is a massive shower, foundation inset, so that you don't have a shower pan. Love that you have the diverter right up here. The only other thing that I would add in here is maybe like a rainfall feature to this. Through here, we're gonna have our linen closet and our water closet. So that's gonna be tucked in away. And then at the back of this bathroom is gonna be your walk-in closet, which has an ample enough space to hang your clothes. You can take the rack one more time. And then we have a shoe rack right here, which I love when they incorporate that. So absolutely magnificent bathroom. I mean, look at this. Just walk out with me. You have your lounging space in the primary suite. Such a beautiful primary bedroom that has like a tray ceiling up top with the exposed beams, just like the living room area. But guys, go down in the comment section and let me know, what do you think about this bedroom? Is this something necessary for you? And if you're looking at making a move to the greater San Antonio area, my contact information is in the description below. I want to be your real estate expert of choice. So give me a call, shoot me an email, and I hope to be showing you around town.